morning we were fine for the first half an hour, but then there's a crazy downpour, just kind of flooded through our roof and through our gutters, made sections of our restaurant and venue just completely flood inside, so we unfortunately had to close. And just from all the slopes around here, it kind of runs down into one spot, and then I guess the drains can't quite handle it, so that's why we had that bit of an overflow into the water. I think the tide itself is probably relatively safe here in the bay, but just the fast downpours are going to do damage to buildings. I think it's been quite a while since we've had that much rain all at once.
I came outside this morning and it started to rain at about 6 a.m. and then it was quite blustery, and we had some lightning and some thunder for a while, and now it's calmed down a bit, but the water level's still pretty high. It's worse than it was the other day, but I guess we were told there were going to be a little bit of extra height in the tide this morning. So